stop right there. If you're struggling with connecting two 2.8ft Govee light strips to one power supply, this video has the absolute fix you need right now. Many users encounter power delivery issues or dimming when attempting to merge long Govee strips, but we'll solve that immediately. First, method 1. Always verify your power supply specifications. Look at the label. You need to ensure its total amperage output meets or exceeds the combined requirements of both strips. Overloading causes dimming and potential damage, so compare those numbers carefully. If your existing power brick isn't strong enough, you'll need an upgrade. Now, if that power check confirms compatibility but you're still having trouble, the issue often lies in the connection method itself, which brings us to method 2, using a splitter connector. This simple adapter allows both strips to draw power from a single source efficiently. Just plug the splitter into your power supply, then connect each Govee strip to an arm of the splitter, ensuring secure fits. This distributes the power correctly. If a splitter isn't an option or you prefer a cleaner look, method 3 involves daisy-chaining with proper extension adapters. Connect your first strip to the power, then use a compatible Govee extension cable to link the end of the first strip to the beginning of the second. Always double-check polarity to avoid short circuits. Finally, for the most robust solution, method 4, consider upgrading to a higher amperage power supply altogether. This directly addresses any underlying power deficiencies, guaranteeing stable and bright illumination across both of your extended Govee light strips without any compromises. Implement these steps for flawless Govee lighting.